guys. Well, we're out on the field because everything is frozen. Why are my windows open? Well, heater won't work. So if I shut the windows, me breathing ices up the window in here, and it's rather annoying. Keep having to brush the windows off. Yeah, I'm just see if I can get her to go down the field. It's a bumpy as hell ride, but what do you expect? I'm absolutely freezing because it is currently -1, I think my phone says. Well, I don't think that's true, considering that everything's not iced yet. Yeah, yet. Anyway, let's see how fast we can get it. Very bumpy. Christ. Jeez. God, I wish I was sweating. It's better that than this freezing shit cold weather. That's for sure. Right, anyway, see you later.